So here's how to flash DNS cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for CMD like this, and then right click on your mouse to find out this run as administrator. So once you have done it, you need to go with that, and you will probably see this type of command prompt in front of you. So you need to type exactly like me. So you need to type in config, ipconfig, then a space, then slash, then need to type in flash DNS like this and hit enter. So you will probably see this successfully flash DNS resolver cache. Then you need to type in ipconfig like this, space, then a slash, and then write it like register DNS, then hit enter. So it will take some time. And now, as you can see, we have successfully installed all the adapters. So that's how you can simply flash DNS cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not. And we'll see you next time.